Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GetResponse landing page blocks for affiliate offers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GetResponse account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Landing Pages option. In the Landing Page section, click on the Create Landing Page button. You will see a variety of templates available. Choose a template that suits your affiliate offer. Click on the selected template to start editing. Now, familiarize yourself with the drag-and-drop editor. To add blocks, locate the Blocks section on the left side. Scroll through the available blocks to find the ones that fit your needs. Select a block by clicking and dragging it into the editor. Position the block where you want it to appear on the page. Adjust the block settings by clicking on it. Customize text, images, and any other elements as needed. Make sure to include call-to-action buttons that link to your affiliate offers. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. After saving, click on the Publish button to make your landing page live. Copy the URL of your landing page. Share your landing page URL across your preferred platforms. Monitor the performance of your landing page through the GetResponse analytics. Consider making adjustments based on the data to optimize conversions. Congratulations, you've successfully installed GetResponse landing page blocks for your affiliate offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.